Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to put some video clips together and make a vlog for you guys of some of the things that we did back in Zacatecas, Mexico. So if you guys want to see that, then please keep on watching. So here we were on our way to the border. As you guys can see, Steven and Leo were passed out. My dad was driving. So after 16 hours later, we finally arrived at my parents' house in Mexico. And this is my little sister and my nephew. So this is day one of our week in Zacatecas, Mexico. And we woke up to my dad banging on the wall. As you guys can tell, he was already working. He's such a workaholic. He works even on his days off. Este es el jardín de mi mamá. This is my mom's garden, and this is her little back patio. And I just fell in love with it, guys. I wish I could have a patio like this. Like, look at the flowers. They're so green right now because it's been raining. There's my dad. And guys, I can't even explain how peaceful Mexico is. Like, I love going on vacay just to like chill and relax and like get away from stress. So yeah, that's basically why we're here. Also, we're here to check out the Feria Regional de el pueblito de mis parents. So yeah. So this room right here is my room. This is where I've always stayed at every single time I come to Mexico, even when I was little. Desde que me traía mi mamá, she told me that this was my room, so I had to sleep over here by myself sometimes, all scared and shit. But now, Steven and I sleep here. Este día fue el mismo día en la noche, and nomás bajamos a los tacos, como dicen. This was day one at night, and we just went down to the plaza to eat some tacos. Estamos comiendo tacos al pastor. They're so good. Nomás pedí cuatro. Steven pidió como 12. There's my mom, my dad, Leo, y ahí está la taquera. So, yeah. En la plaza había un puesto de figuras que podías pintar y yo escogí pintar la figura de la Virgencita. So there was a place in the plaza where you could paint these little figurines. So I decided to paint the Virgin Mary just because I've been wanting one since the longest.
It's hard to get to the whole thing. Huh?
Here, let me videotape myself. So aquí estamos pintando una virgencita. just got done drinking coffee. I'm gonna go downstairs because my mom wants me to wash one of my dad's shirts. Old style way. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how that's done. I'm gonna be washing these shirts in el lavadero. So we'll see how that goes. Teaching them young a lavar su propia ropa en el lavadero. Duro, dale con fuerzas. Ay, hija de tu madre.
Yo andaba abriendo y luego que veo que algo se movía, yo pensaba que era una basura.
Mira, antes no te picó.
Mira. Ah, solo así porque se mete el trapeador. Andaba bien.
Es una...
Sí.
Ve, te va a
¿Es
picar.
una greña?
Yeah, es una greña.
Steven. Son bien... Son bien livianos.
Ve, te va a picar.
Estaba aquí. Yo pensaba que era una basura y le barrí con la escoba.
Ve, te va a picar.
No, it's not that.
Qué bueno que bajé yo, que si no me había picado yo rato.
Ay, qué menso, Steven.
What are you gonna do with it? Kill it or what?
¿Qué le?
Ah, ¿y por qué la trae allí? Yo creo que se le pegó de la escoba o qué.
Yeah.
Ahí sí te pica. Ya no regresas para ti. Mira, Steven, una vez se metió uno aquí en la punta del zapato y yo ahí lo traía y me picó.
¿Te picó?
No, lo traje bien mucho rato y hasta que le hice así,
Ah,
sentí un punzadón.
This wasn't even that strong though.
dice que no está tan...
Oh, son más venenosos así chiquillos que grandes porque están
I've been
nuevos.
stung before too.
Yeah.
Here, wait, look.
The cola. Now you take that off. No, no!
Come here, come here.
I'm scared.
¿Ya le quitaste todo?
¿Ya le quitó el pico?
Sí.
¿Y dónde lo va a echar?
Yo creo lo va a cocinar.
Look, come here. No, look, watch. Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Come here.
He's like, what?
Look, listen to me.
What?
I took off the tail. Look, come here. Ya no pique, mira, come here.
Ya no pica. Ya es como una cucaracha.
Come here. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
Pero en el rancho no los vayas a agarrar. Okay, guys, I'm about to touch this. It's gonna be my first time touching this thing, so hopefully I don't freak out. I can't, y'all. This is like some extreme
It's nothing. It's
thing.
defenseless.
Like,
now.
you know that show where you have to like stick your hand into like a box and you don't know what's in there? I can't. Oh my god, Lala, you do it. Do it.
Here.
Lala, I pay you money. Ay, ay, ay. Are
It's
you
already
sure?
defenseless. I'm more like
Babe,
the
are you
fucking
sure?
pico's gone. Here.
Ay, ¿cómo se siente?
You don't even feel it.
Ay, ama. I can't. Oh. Guys, I'm gonna let it crawl on my hand. I think that's gonna feel even worse.
You won't even notice the darn thing.
Did that fall down?
Ready?
I'm
Set.
going punching. I'm going punching it.
Wow, you can't feel anything. It's kind of like when you have like a hair stuck to you and you kind of feel like that little tingly feeling. That's kind of how it feels. Kind of like cosquillitas. I can literally let this walk all over my back para que me haga cosquillas.
It's like I was just trying to get a bite.
He's like, now I'm like on YouTube.
Well.
You want to touch it, Leo?
No, I'm scared.
did her makeup. She's wearing a messy bun. So right now we are on our way to Tabasco, Zacatecas. We are going to drop off my little nephew with his other grandma that lives in Mexico right now. And guys, look at those mountains. Y'all, meet Flunder. He used to be my sister's husband's dog when he lived in Mexico, but now he lives in Texas, so he asked my dad if he could take the dog with us back home to Texas. So that's what we did. However, right here they're putting him all his shots that he needs, deworming him and getting him ready for the trip. This is the veterinary guy.
Para desparasitarlo.
Hola, Claudia.
No, es bien mansito este.
Sí, a lo que se ve, sí.
No, sí. Hay unos que sí son bravos, pero es bien raro que
Es bien
estos
raro.
boxers salgan bravos.
Bravo. Pues qué bueno, porque...
Llévame con
De hecho, estos y los labradores son los que más...
Alright guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Me resultaron falsas toditas tus palabras.